What's up, YouTube fam? It's your boy Jason here. We don't got a lot going on this weekend car-wise, so I thought I would take this time to walk you around my 2012 WRX, let you know what I've got done to it and what I plan to do to it in the future. So you guys just hang out a little bit, and I hope you enjoy today's video. Okay, boys and girls, so I purchased my 2012 WRX in October of 2020, and my wife has named her Deja Vu, since she looks nearly identical to my original WRX. The car was bone stock, other than the barely functional aftermarket headlights, probably from eBay. So I picked up a set of OEM style headlights with black hat. It was only a few weeks before I had ordered my IAG Air Oil Separator and my Invidia N1 dual catback exhaust. Unfortunately, before my air oil separator arrived, the stock PCV system, which any good Subaru owner will tell you is trash, decided to take a massive shit. So I blew an intercooler coupling due to excessive blow-by, leading to a boost leak. While waiting on the new coupler to arrive, we got the air oil separator and catback exhaust installed and took care of some basic maintenance. With some much needed maintenance taken care of and Deja's newest additions installed, it was just a couple of months before I'd ordered some wheels, tires, and coilovers. Surprisingly, the wheels showed up first, so you know I couldn't wait to fit them to the car. After a few days, the coilovers were delivered, so we could adjust that monster truck ride height. And just a week before Streetcar Takeover 2021, my buddy Lucas and I got the fitment dialed in. So my partner in crime, aka Wifey, headed down to Charlotte.
You say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Most of the car events months away, I picked up some new goodies to be installed over winter. The homie Lucas and I got to work installing the new Cobb SF intake, Invidia catted downpipe, and an off-the-shelf tune using the Cobb access port. Well, just after a couple of weeks with the new mods, the stock clutch decided to go on permanent vacation, which was to be expected, so I'd ordered an ACT heavy-duty street clutch kit with new flywheel. Since the endlinks come out while doing the clutch install, we went ahead and ordered a Whiteline sway bar kit with adjustable endlinks just as a bonus. Luckily, my boy Braden was able to get the clutch installed just in time for Streetcar Takeover 2022. So Bree and I took off to Charlotte for our second year.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name? Yeah. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love goes, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history, yeah.
And after Z-Max, we'd went to several other Cars and Coffee and other events throughout the summer, but sadly I've lost most of that content. Now, flash forward to November, we took our youngest daughter to VIR, which I posted that video of our adventure. Shout out to anyone who watched and liked the video. What I didn't show you, however, was the car experiencing the dreaded boost creep known to happen to several 2008 and newer WRX and STIs. When the ambient air temperature is low enough, the car will overboost to limitations of the stock internal wastegate of the turbo. Okay guys, now that we're all caught up, what's next you ask? How do we fix that boost creep? Well, first of all, we'll be ordering a couple of things before we head to the dyno to get a real tune. We'll be ordering a PLM external wastegate as well as a Tomei Inquilink header. Once those arrive, we'll get those installed, plus a couple of goodies I have left over from my old STI, including the injectors, intake manifold, intercooler, as well as the turbo. So guys, if you've made it this far, again, thanks for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I got for you in this video. Until next time, peace.